This tree is probably one of those lucky green GS sizes. Looks like the men's size or the women's size 11 and a half is not arriving. Orders that are door and going to deliver today. But today we're gonna have Jordan lucky green. Get them out of the box. Okay. So here we go. We got 1Y, 12C, 1, 11 and halves. Look at those, very cute. What do you think on this one? So how about this one? 8 and 5. Man, it's not my size. Oh, I think it's my size. I think. All right, there we go. Ooh, look at those. The quality of this one is really nice, and the color of green, that's why they call it lucky green. It's not that too shiny, but the swoosh is kind of shiny, so it complements the design. So not bad for the colorway on this one. And the only thing is not my size, which is 8.5, so I'm not gonna sit on this one for a while. Probably wait for the price to go up. It might gonna be converted to women's size. So not bad for this one. I got a good size 8.5. Let's talk about the one that I got for free on StockX. If you remember, that one is the Jordan 1 black toe. You said black toe, and I would like to share to you that sometimes we don't just rely on some people to legit check our stuff. I did like 98% because when I look into browsing of some pictures, also some photos of the StockX, some photos of the goat and other website that I could find to look for this item that I could try to compare, and there is somewhat I believe that it's already legit or authentic. But then I download this application that checks your shoes. They legit check your shoes and check it. Some of YouTube sneaker butter are advertising them that they are very good. So I look also into their website, also Instagram, Twitter. They are a reputable company, and if it's already company that they will legit check your item and download the application, send multiple photos, not more than 5. I mean like multiple photos. I send it to them, and they also request more photos just to make sure. But so that's why I said the first video that I don't go too much hype or too much expectation that the item or the shoe that I got it from StockX is fake, because they sent it back to the original reseller. It didn't pass. It says no, it's fake. Your shoes is fake. Well, it's not my shoes. StockX gave it to me, but exposed this sneaker apps legit checker. So since I didn't really rely on this one, I don't really believe this one listed out on GOAT, and I didn't list it out on StockX, because the problem with StockX, if the item will be fake or not legit, then I might gonna get in trouble that I'm gonna pay extra percentage for the item because it was fake, and they have to send it back to me, and then I have to pay for the shipping cost that going back to me. Now, since I am reputable reseller of gold, which is I have more than 8,800 points or something like that, which is above the, should I say, elite reseller. Then I said I'll try it. just in case if it's not if not legit, then they're gonna send it back to me. Then I will pay the shipping cost, which is the shipping cost only. I'm not paying for the fees, any fees at all. And I'm not also not deducted any some kind of points on my elite status, something like that. So now that's what I did, because since based on the market value of these shoes, it is somewhere around 1,000, 1,020, somewhere 1,100 or something like that. So I said I'm not gonna go deep too much, not gonna greedy. So I set it up somewhere 850. And to my surprise, not even a day, 3 hours, somewhere 3 hours or 4 hours, the item sold. Boom, boom, sold. Wow. So I'm making at least 7-ish after the fees of gold. So I pack the shoes, clean it up a little bit, wipe it up a little bit, and also make sure the cover is good, box is good, and there is a little bit crumple on the outer box, right? So I made sure a little bit, make it put a heat gun on it so that it will go back to normal size. So that's it. Send it to go. Wait out for a couple days, a weeks tops, and boom! It says it's legit. It's authentic pair of shoes. Whoa! That is a Christmas gift from StockX. Thank you, StockX, for the shoes, for the early gift, and 700 $700 a pair of shoes that StockX gave it to me, and that should be in like $1,000 shoes, but hey, it happens. I'm not really sure if it's really authentic. Then I'm gonna take a loss of the shipping cost. Then it happens. So lesson learned on the transaction with this legit checker, saying exposed on this legit checker app, who check your shoes if they are literally legit, who are not really checking, they're just basing on the photos. But good thing is, go thank you for authenticating the shoe and giving me a free $700, my Christmas gift from StockX. So okay, and that's about it for today's. If you that's about it for today. An update for the videos that Goat gave it to me, and also the unboxing of the Lucky Green. With that said, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and I hope you learned something on this video. If you really like it, please leave a comment down below, and also leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.